Hello, my name is Mrs. Moore, and I will be your new teacher. This is my first year being a teacher at Epic Charter Schools. I have my bachelor's and master's degree from the University of Oklahoma. I've recently taught fifth grade for 2 years. I taught reading, social studies, and language arts. The standard that I thought I would focus on more would be 2N 2.6 use concrete models and structured arrangements such as repeated addition, arrays, and 10 frames to develop an understanding of multiplication. I would teach this standard one-on-one based on the test results provided. The test results showed that Elisa's lowest scores in number sense. The results also showed that she can benefit from a focus in geometry and measurement. The standard for geometry and measurement includes the ability to find the area of two-dimensional figures by counting the total number of same-size unit squares that fill up the shape. Elise would benefit from using the standard of utilizing repeated addition to develop the understanding of multiplication in order to find the area. The lesson plan that I created includes starting out with using the materials of paper and scissors because most students have access to this at home, and it would be something easy that they could do with their parents. First thing I would have them cut the pieces of paper into 8 pieces, not worrying about getting the exact measurements. We would just assume that each square is 1 inch. Then I would have them lay out the pieces to make a triangle, and we would be using 8 pieces of paper. Also reminding them that a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 shorter sides. The 2 long sides would make up 4 pieces of paper that they cut, and then the 2 shorter sides would be 2 pieces of paper. Once they did that, I would explain what the formula for area is, which is length times width. I would teach them that the easier way to do this would be counting each square that make up the rectangle, and assuming that each pieces of paper equals 1 inch, and we counted all the squares up, then the area would equal 8 inches. Then I would also show them that another way we could do this is by multiplying length times width, and if they were not sure of their multiplication facts, then we could use repeated addition. So what we would do is we would use each square, so each square is 1 inch, so we would go, and there would be 2 making up the width, so then we would go 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8, which would be the area of the square. Then I would have them practice by cutting another piece of paper into 10 pieces, and then finding the area, length times width, and also by using repeated addition. Then the assessment that I provided would be using the same thing, using the assessment that I attached to the Google Drive. And that is all I have. Thank you.